I'm about to play Smash. Trying to get some cash. I'm gonna get a rash. Hey, it's Rash Balash.
Yo, what's up, guys? Famous YouTuber Rash Balash here with another big announcement. So basically, this is another giveaway. You know, not everyone can win the Cyberpunk 2077 game. So I was like, well, I want more people to be happy. I want more people to win. So I'm gonna give away some 3D prints. All you gotta do is comment on this video and be sure to be subscribed. Also, another thing is, since I'm going to be mailing it to you, I can only do it within the US for now, so unfortunately I can only limit it to that. But you know, maybe hopefully in the future I can figure something out. But yeah, so be sure to be subscribed, be sure to comment on this video, check out my live stream today at 7 p.m. I'm going to be live streaming Cyberpunk 2077. It's part 3, we're playing as a street kid. It's been pretty litty, like, been kind of crazy. We've been testing out some like random shit. But yeah, so I'll show you the 3D prints on the screen right now. I'm still 3D printing them, but yeah. So be sure to comment on this video. I'll probably end this giveaway tomorrow, aka Saturday, which is the 12th at 10 p.m. So this will go from today, Friday, 7 p.m. to tomorrow, Saturday at 10 p.m. So you guys have some time to enter, so be sure to enter. You'll see some cool figurines, some cool, from different shows too. Like I do Star Wars episode reviews for Mandalorian, so you'll see some Baby Yodas. And then also we play Among Us at 10 p.m. on Saturday, so there'll be some Among Us characters, some pretty cool color schemes, and we'll see some Cyberpunk 3D prints as well. Okay, well, that's it. Be sure to tune in, and again, I'll see you guys in the next one.